In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Cosmos' future while talking about molecule cost estimate for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Cosmos. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Cosmos is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Cosmos succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Cosmos value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cosmos and its to-date history. What is Cosmos? Cosmos markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, which are controlled by Byzantine issue open-minded agreement calculations like tendermint. Byzantine adaptation to internal failure is a component of one blockchain's agreement calculation, which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain malevolent agreement confirming hubs in it. These blockchains are equipped for interoperating with one another through the Cosmos organization, the purported web of blockchains, likewise alluded to as Cosmos Center Point. It is the first blockchain sent off inside the Cosmos organization, and its primary undertaking will be to interlink other blockchains in the biological system. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Cosmos Center. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Cosmos Center. Blockchains that are associated with the center keep up with their own agreement power without changing to Tendermint. Engineers can fabricate their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Cosmos SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just stressing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Cosmos ready to help a wide assortment of digital currencies and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's just the beginning. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the basic calculation of Cosmos, is the main variation of evidence of stake agreement got from the common-sense Byzantine shortcoming lenient calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999. Following a 30 extended research period, EFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly dole out a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot interaction. Notwithstanding, committing and concluding blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation, 66% of the majority of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become concluded. The FT frameworks can endure up to a third of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate erratic or noxious way of behaving. Cosmos Value Forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. The essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 7.67% $12.10. 2023 Blemish 24.66% $9.88. 2023 April 17.78% $10.78. 2023 May 14.54% $11.20. 2023 June 3.97% $12.59. 2023 Joe plus 1.05% $13.25. 2023 AUG plus 12.26% $14.72. 2023 SEP plus 17.46% $15.40. 2023 OCT plus 35.07% $17.71. 2023 NOF plus 44.00% $18.88. 2023 DEC plus 48.57% $19.48. 2024 JAN plus 56.00% $20.45. Molecule value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees IOTA coming to $33.10 in 2025. What will molecule be worth in 5 years? The cost of particle in 5 years could lie around $31.29. Cosmos value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Cosmos will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Cosmos coming to $82.75 in 2030. What Cosmos will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Cosmos coming to $165.51 in 2040. Will Cosmos supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Cosmos won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Cosmos at any point reach $100? Indeed, Cosmos could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Might Cosmos at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, it is conceivable that Cosmos can reach $1,000 yet just in a removed future. After 2030, is Cosmos worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Cosmos merits purchasing. Is Cosmos a wise speculation? Cosmos is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cosmos be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $8.26. In the long haul, it could leap to $82.75 or considerably higher. For what reason will Cosmos succeed and become more expensive? Cosmos has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Cosmos ascending to $82.75 in 2030. For what reason will Cosmos fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned promoting system, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cosmos go?